Well, hi there. Thanks for joining. I'm going to teach you a few things for Activity 38, Worldwide Movies. First of all, pretty simple thing to do. You're going to need to know how to delete a row. So I find the easiest way, let's say Tanya Goodman has not been performing. We want to delete her. She's fired. I just do a right click. For you, if you don't have a mouse, that's a two-finger click. And just go to delete cells and just delete entire row. Gone. You're done. Out of here. All right, sorting. Let's say we wanted to see who had the highest sales for January to the least highest sales for January out of everybody. All right, very simple. We've sorted before. Just highlight what you want to sort. Make sure you highlight the header here so you can sort it by that. Okay, and then just go to Layout, Sort. Also, you can just go to Home, and then this little sort right here. Same thing. So sort by column 4. Make sure you click on Header Row. Now it'll show you what our headers were. So we want to sort by January. We want descending. So let's check out descending. Check it out. So we have January. It sorted everybody but kept all the data with them. So 20,000 Carolyn Plummer. Way to go. All the way down here. Okay. So you can sort by anything you want. It's quite nice. All right. Let's say I said, hey, add up all the sales of January, February, and March down here. Let's put a new row. So remember, the easiest way to do a new row, just put your cursor in the bottom row, tab, boom, look, we got a new row. Okay, let's say we want to see totals. Okay, so you have to bust out your calculator, add all these up, right? No way. Word has it figured out. So wherever you want your answer displayed, click in that cell. Go to Layout, Formula, Sum Above, Number Format. This is going to put it in decimals. See this $sign? Pound, that's just saying your number. Look, this is going to have it in decimals. I don't want it in decimals, so watch. I can delete this and watch what's going to do. Pow. It shows us the dollar amount. You can do it again over here. Formula, Sum Above. Watch what happens. I'll just show you without deleting those zeros. So look, it crams all up those zeros. Okay, if you want, you can see the problem is you can't go back and delete those zeros now because it's a formula. So you have to just go back to formula. Boom. Okay, that's how you do formulas. It's quite nice. Add everything above. Okay, next, let's do aligning data. Okay, so I'm just going to show you Carolyn Plummer. Let's drag this out. So there's times we're going to have to align data in two ways. So see how this is all in the top of the cell? It looks a little weird. If you just click in anywhere in the cell, go to Layout, look at all these different options we have. Actually, highlight the whole row. All these different options that you can move the data wherever you like it. Okay, and then at the end of this activity, it says that you need to align the data, your table, vertically and horizontally. So all you have to do is go to Format, Document, Layout. Check it out. Page, vertical alignment. Let's make this center. Okay, and then look what it does. It aligns it vertically up and down. We're used to aligning right and left, right? But now you can align it up and down. All right, last thing. Format Painter. This is really slick. Okay, here's a refresher. Let's merge this and center it. So in order to do that, I'm just going to right click. Come on now. Right click. Why is it not working? Oh, because I forgot to highlight. So highlight everything, right click, merge cells. Gets rid of that line. Okay. Let's center this. Let's put it in all caps over here, right? This is a nice way. Uppercase. Okay. Now, Format Painter. It's really slick. Let's say I told you to change this to red. Change the font to Airstrike. What else can we do? Let's bold it. Let's underline it. Let's just do this. Okay. Now, let's say I said, please do the same exact thing down here at totals. And let's say you forgot how to do all this, what you just did, all that formatting. Pretty slick. All you have to do is go like this, highlight it, click on this little Format Painter on the Home tab, click on Format Painter. What it does is it memorizes everything you just did. The next thing that you highlight, it's going to repeat all that. It's pretty slick. So watch. I'm going to just highlight totals. Plowy. I missed it. The T. Let's do that again. Boy, I just went for the crescendo and just didn't happen. Format Painter. Highlight everything. There we go. Boom. Pretty cool, right? Saves you a lot of time. Okay. That's it for Activity 38. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great time. Mahalo. Bye-bye.